create some external additional files. And now we will import the pandas library. To do so, we will put import pandas as any shortcut as we like. And now we center. Now we need to insert a data set, and to do so, we will take any alphabet. We'll write equals to pd dot read underscore csv. This function helps us to read the data frame. And first of all, we need to download the data frame, and then we need to upload it in the Jupyter software so that we can get it here. And I have already done that, so but I will just write the name of that name of that CSV file, and the file should be always be in CSV. And another file, if the file is in other format, it will not work and it will show us an error. And now I am importing it, and the file, my file name is stock market data set. And here I will write dot CSV. And to avoid that, and to if we want any automatic indexes registered by Python, we need not to write the index call is equal to 0. And if we don't want it, we can write index we can write index at the rate column equal to 0. And this will ensure that there are no this will ensure that there are and this will ensure that there are no automatic indexing coming up. And because in Python the indexing starts from 0, therefore we need them. And also it will affect the graph in the future. That's why I'm not getting the indexing done by the Python. And here I entered, and I don't know what happened. Oh, and here the data we got, this is the stock market data of some company, and it is from 1986 to 2022. And now we will see the number of now we will have to see the now if we need to see only the first 5 values or some values of the data set, we will use the head function. And to do so, we will write f dot head and bracket, and here h should be small. And now we will press enter. As you can see, oh, my f is small, so yeah. And here we got the first 5 values, and if we want the last 2 values, then we will use the tail function. And to do so, we will do f dot tail, and now we will press enter, and we got the last 3 values. And now if we need the column names, to do so, we will caps lock f dot we will write columns, and we will press enter. And here you can see we got the column name open, high, low, close, adjust, close, volume, and the data type is object. And now we will have, and if we need some unique number, for example, we need the number of entries in this data form, we will use some function. We will use the length function. And to do so, we will write the name. We write the square bracket, and we will write the date, unique, and this will tell how many days the data consists, how many days. And it, as it is starting from 1986 to 2020, so it is very hard to count it manually. So the Python will calculate it and tell us the answer. And here I press enter, and I think there is some error. As there is a error, I think the error is due to as there is no indexing. So we'll get the indexing back for us. First, we will copy this and we will paste it here so that we can again import the data, and we remove this so that indexing is possible. And now we press enter, and yes, we can, as we can see, we have indexing. And now we will try to do that function. Then bracket f date, as it will count the number of dates on which the stock market was open. And for this we will get the number of values in this data set. And now we will do this and press enter. Yeah, we got the number, that the answer is 9,204. This is because we have not allowed the indexing, that's why it has not shown us the value. But now indexing are and now the indexing is available, we can get the value. Now again we have to run this so that we can make the bar graph, so that we can plot the graph accordingly. And here we have run it again, and now we're gonna use matplotlib uh, to do some visuals to know the open price of this company. And to do so, we will import matplotlib dot plot as PLT as a shortcut. And now we press Control Enter. And now we're gonna make a graph. Now we're gonna make a graph of the open prices of the company. And to do so, we will write open in inverted commas, and we will use the function plot t bracket, and below this we will write plt dot show function to show us the graph. And here, as you can see, some error is there. Yeah, here open O is capital, and now we'll try to do so. And here you can see that the graph shows the graph shows the increase in the open prices from the 1986 to 2017. And after 2017, you can see there is a decline in the open price. And now we will see the highest, and now we will see the stock value which is greater than, now we will see the close stock value which is greater than 100. And to do so, we will write some, here you write some a some, and now we put bracket, and we need close value, so we write close, and we'll put it greater than 100. And now we will get the answer. And now we will get the answer of this, and we will get the number of outcomes which are greater than 100. As you can see, there are 1073 days on which the closing price was more than 100. And now that's all from my side. And in this we have done some of the functions of NumPy, and we have did some functions of pandas, and we also touched some bit of matplotlib, and other graphs also we can make using matplotlib, for example histogram, pie chart and all that. But it is not possible in this case, as we are taking the stock market prices of a company. And that's all. Thank you.